Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Quentin Gooden and I am here at the 2019 Alabama Auto Show. I have so many great cars to show you. Let's start. My name is Quentin Gooden and this is the all-new Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. This is the new pickup truck that is based off the JL Wrangler. Now this comes with a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 and pretty soon it'll be optioned with a 3 liter Eco Diesel from Fiat. Now as I said, this does come with the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 which makes 285 horsepower, and you can also get the Eco Diesel V6 in about a year or so. It'll come with over 400 foot-pounds of torque. Now the Pentastar will be mated to an 8-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual. Let's get into this interior. So getting into the Gladiator, it's basically just like a JL Wrangler. You still have all the toggle switches for its special 4-wheel drive. You have the Rubicon. This one comes with the 8-speed automatic. As you can see, it's the Rubicon, so it's going to have this red accent along with this soft touch plastic. Or this might be leather now because it's stitched also. Now these things are really, really nice. They're way nicer than the old JK Wranglers. And of course it wasn't a JK Gladiator. But so far it seems like a regular car. Now let's go into the passenger seats. Now, compared to a regular Wrangler, this thing has a very, very high stepping height. Now, sitting in the passenger seat, there is a lot of room. I mean, a lot of room. You have a pretty nice glove box right here. It's damp, but it's not lined with felt. Now, this thing has a lot of things right here. You have the 12-volt outlet, the aux cord. You also have your USB cords. Now, this thing has a lot of storage space. And for a big vehicle, it's better. I heard these things start around 35 grand, and you can get them up to $60,000 if you want. Now, this has this Uconnect screen, and man, it's really nice. It has a pretty nice radio station, some good AC controls. I think if I had to drive one of these for a while, I wouldn't mind it. It rides a lot better than the old JK Wranglers. Now, let's get on to the back seats. Now I'm here in the back, and as I can tell you, this actually has some decent amount of room. Now the front seats is kind of pushed a little bit back, but I still got some decent leg room. Now as you can see in the back, there's a pickup truck bed behind me. It's a 5-inch bed, so this is supposed to compete with the Toyota Tacoma and the Chevrolet Blazer, those mid-size pickup trucks. Now this thing really does feel sturdy. It's really comfortable back here. As you know, in all Wranglers, you can take the roof off. Now this is a hard top version. It's a little bit harder to do than on the soft tops. So if you're looking forward to getting one of these, they do cost around $35,000 starting with no options. They should be around about 3 to 2 weeks, depending on what dealership you live in, what dealerships nearby. I think it would be a pretty good buy. You're basically combining the off-road capabilities of a Jeep Wrangler and the pickup truck utility of the Ram, and you really get a good package with this. I'll conclude with this. The Jeep Gladiator is both a Ram 1500 and a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited combined. I think it combines those two aspects into a very, very good package, especially for $35,000 starting out.